Hello everybody, it's Professor Chadone. I promised you a video for... Hi everybody, it's Professor Chadone. I promised you a video for writing your title page and your page numbers and running head and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you how to set up your paper for any APA paper that you do. You don't have to do this for the journals, but for any of the actual papers, okay? The first thing you're going to have is your title page. With your title page, I'm going to go to up there. We're going to center that, and we're going to put the name of your paper in caps. And then we're going to go down a few lines, and you're going to put your name. And do not put your credentials, okay? After your name, you're going to be putting in Aubrey City College, School of Nursing, you know how to do that. Then you're going to RN to BS group, and then your group number, date of completion, and your professor's name with credentials. That is our title page. That's how hard it is. Now, we're going to put at the top of this, you're going to do something called a running head. That's different than the rest of your paper, and I'm going to show you how to do this. When you're done putting in this information, just go up to the upper left-hand corner and click it twice. When you do that, you're going to have this show up. It says Header and Footer Tools. Under Design, you're going to click Different First Page. And after that, you're going to go to Page Number. You do Different First Page, then Page Number, top of page, and you're always going to do this third choice right there. It says number 1, and you're going to put in running head, and then in caps, the name of your paper again. Then you're going to tab, and when you tab, that gets that over to the left-hand side. So this is all set, okay? Now let's go down to the bottom of your title page at the end. And to get to your new page, you're going to Control-Enter. That brings us to the second page. Now to put in that page number to paginate the rest of the paper, go to the left-hand corner and double-click again. Go to Page Number, top of page, and that number 3. Now it automatically will show up as a 2, and you're going to put in the name of your paper, and you're going to tab a couple times until it's over on the left-hand side. And that's it. Now you are all paginated. The rest of the pages that you have for this are all going to be set up so that the pages are correct. And now we're ready to put in the, set this up for the body of the paper. Go to your paragraph like I showed you yesterday, and the little down arrow, special is first line 0.5. These are all zeros over here. You're double spacing, and don't add space between those of same style. You're going to click that and do OK. Now your paper is set up for APA formatting. Watch, you do not have to enter to get to the next line. It automatically does it. And then at the end of your paragraph, you're going to enter, and the new paragraph will automatically start the way it's supposed to. Okay? That's as difficult as that is. Now I'm going to go to the next page. I'm going to do Control-Enter. See, it says 3. We're going to use a reference page here. For the reference page, that is set up different from the rest of your paper. At the very, very end, you're going to do this. For the reference page, you're going to center and put the word references, enter, go back to your left margin. You're going to go to this paragraph again and click on it. Now, instead of first line 0.5, you want something called hanging. So only for the reference page, you're going to go special hanging 0.5. These remain at 0. This remains at double, and this is still checked. Okay? Now watch what happens when I put in my references like that. So when I do my references, they automatically show up right. And then I'm going to put my next reference. That is called a hanging reference. Once again, the way I did that was I went to paragraph, down, special hanging, 0.5, and zeros here, double and click. Okay, and that's it. Now your reference page, just so you know, your references need to be in alphabetical order according to the first letter here. Make sure that they're lined up so that they're in alphabetical order, okay? That's alphabetic according to the first letter that begins the reference. So this would have gone up on top. And that is it. Any questions, please let me know, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.